Guys, welcome back to Chemquiz TV. Let's evaluate some logarithm problem in JAMB mathematics. So if you are writing mathematics, the upcoming JAMB, then log is one of the important topics you need to cover in mathematics. Variety of questions normally comes out in what in logarithm. So you also see logarithm in your JAMB, you also see them in your post-sharing. Even when you get to higher institution, you also see logarithm. So that's why you want to pay close attention. I've done the first video, the introductory aspect of logarithm, where I explain laws of logarithm, where I explain what the various laws of what logarithm, three laws, the multiplication law, division law, and the power law, and I evaluate some simple problem. But in this video here, I want to see what higher. Do you get that? So if you have not checked out the first video on logarithm I've done, please try as much as possible to check out the first video. You get. And if you're a chemistry student here, if you're writing chemistry, you're coming JAMB, they have what a lot of videos on what JAMB chemistry tutorials. So the link will be at the description below. The playlist will be on what a description below. If you're not subscribed, consider what subscribing. So let's go into it. So let's look at what the first question is. Say that 2 log 2 over 5 minus log 72 over 125 plus log 9. So let's evaluate it here. 2 log 2 over 5 minus log 72 what 125 plus log what 7. So pay close attention to me. I'm going to evaluate this for you. So now if you check the log, they don't have base. It means that they have the same base. So when you have a question that have log of the same base, you can combine them together. And before you can combine them together, now you have to make this one to be like this, to be like this. Here we have 2. We don't have anyone here, we don't have anyone here. So we have to make this guy to be like this, to be like this. We have for it to combine them together. And this one is called power law. In power law, log A raised by B is also the same as what B log what A. Just vice versa. This one can also be converted to this, like B log what A is also the same as what log A raised by what B, right? It's called power law. So that's why we have something like log what 2 3 is also the same as what log 3 raised by what 2. Do you get that? So that's what we are going to use here. So it means that this one now this one is going to be log 2 over 5 raised by what 2. Can you see that? Minus log what 72 or what 125 plus log what 9, right? So now when I have 2 over 5 raised by 2, it's always same as what 2 times 2 over what 5 times 5, right? 2 times 2 is what is 4, 5 times 5 is 20 what 5, right? So that's what we're going to do here. So it means that you're going to be log 20 log what 4 over what 25 minus log what 72 over what 125 plus log what 9. So since I've made them to be the same, what are you going to do here? I want to combine them together. Now in logarithm, minus, when you're combining them together, minus means what division, plus means what multiplication. Do you understand? Because when you have something like log A over what B, log A over B is also the same as log what A minus what log what B. So this is also the same to this guy. This is also the same to this one here. Do you understand? And if you have something like this, log A times B is also the same as log what A plus what log what B, right? So in the sense that in logarithm, positive is what is multiplication, negative is what division. So if you want to combine them together, now since they have different, this thing they have the same log, so going to be they have common log, so going to be log is okay. Now 4 over what 25 divide by, right, because I told you that minus is what is division, divide by 72 over what 125. Positive is plus is what is times what 9. Just so what are you going to do here? We make this now, we combine what division to what multiplication. Now if you have something like this, 1 divided by A over what B. Now if you want to evaluate here, this division must be changed to what multiplication. And whenever I convert what division to multiplication, what happen here? Numerator, denominator move to numerator, and numerator move to what denominator, right? So now going to be 1 times B over what A. The same to happen here is going to be log 4 over what 25 times 125 over what? 72 times what? 9. Can you see that? So now we can now divide them. So you can see that 25 going to 125 is going to be 5. So let's do the calculation here. So 125 divided by what? 25. Here we have 5. So here's 1. Here's what? 5. Can you see that? Now 4 going to 72. 72 divided by 4. Here we have 18. 1. Here we have 18. Can you see that? Now 9 divided by what? 9 going to 18 is 2. So 18 divided by 9 is what? Is 2. So here we have 1. Here we have what? 2. So it means that here I have log. Here I have what? 1 times 5 times 1 is what? Is 5 over what? 2. Just so now this guy is not in my options. If you check it, it's not in my options. So if I need to what? Break this guy down. You get, so I'm going to write the last one here. So log 5 over 2. So how do we evaluate this? Now what you want to understand here is that whenever what the base not be given to you, we assume the what to be base 10. So going to be what? Base 10. So if you have not like, how do we evaluate it here? Remember here is division, right? So it means that here going to be log 10 5 minus log 10 2. That is it. How do we evaluate this one here? Now remember here is already what? 5. This way I'm going to what? Manipulate this way I'm going to what? Manipulate this one here. So here going to be, remember 2 is also set at what? 10 over what? 5, right? I'm going to have what? 10 over what? 5. The same thing here. So now whenever I see 2 here, because here we have 5, right? So what I'm going to do here, this 2, I can also say what? 10 over, so 10 divided by 5 also is taken as 2, right? So this is what I'm going to do here. So it's now going to be log 5 10 minus log what? 10 over what? 10 over 5, right? 10 here. So now let's break this one down. If you should break this, to expand this one here. Now this is what going to happen here. So it's going to be log 10 5 minus. Now these are going to be brackets here to separate. So here, so it's going to be log 10 minus log 10 5. Do you understand? Because this guy is seeing here like log 10 about 5. Also seeing that what? Remember this one is what? Is division law. So it's going to be log 10 minus log 10 5. It's okay, but it's going to be what? In bracket here to separate it. So there must be what? A bracket here. Do you understand? So if you should open the brackets, what up here? If you should open the bracket, it's going to be log 10 5. Now here we have minus log 10 minus times minus is what? Is plus what? Log 10 5. Do you understand? So if you don't put it in a bracket, it's going to affect it. As a matter of fact, you will not get the correct answer. So what up here? This is what will happen here. Now this plus this, so because these two are the same, right? So if you have log a plus log what? A, you're going to be what? 2 log what? A. Just like when you have x plus x equals to what? 2 what? X, right? So this is what you're going to do here. So it's going to be what? Log 5 over log 5 10 plus log 10, right? Minus log what? 10. So what up here? You're going to be 2 log what? 10 5 minus 1. Minus what? 1. This one can also be written as 1 plus log, okay, minus, so this one can also be written as what? Minus 1 plus log what? Minus 1 plus 2 log what? 10 5. This is that. So this is now what the correct what option. You can see now if you want to do it in mathematics, then you need to work for practicing in order for you to master it. So what will be the option here? So let's see the one that is the option. So it's going to be what? You have the option there. So 1 plus you have the option there. The option is not here. So I don't think this question is correct. So there's no option here. No option, yes, no option. So this is what the answer is, but no option. No option. Do you understand? So no option. You just say no option. No what option. That is it. So let's evaluate the second question. Solve without using table. Log base 5 62.5 minus log base 5 1 over what 2. So they have the same what base. So let's evaluate it. Log 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 base 5 62.5 minus log 1 over 2. Now I'm going to convert this guy to this guy here. Now whenever I'm changing decimal to what to fraction, here we have 62.5 going to be what 10, right? So that's going to be 625 over what 10. So I've converted what decimal to what to fraction, right? So it's not going to be like this. Log so it's going to be log 5 625 over 10, right? Minus log 5 1 over 2. Just that. Now they have common base. Just that they have common base. Because they have common base, subtraction is what? Subtraction, which is negative sign. Subtraction is what? Is division. Do you understand? So you want to combine them together. Remember, you have log 5a minus log 5b. What are you going to get here? You're going to be log 5a divided by what? B. Can you see that? So this one is what is division log. So here you are now going to get log 5. You're now going to be what? 625 over what 10 divided by what 1 over what 2. Can you see that? Now what is going to happen here? You have to change this times this division to what? You have to change this to what? Division. I change what this division to what? Multiplication. Do you understand? And if I change this division to multiplication, what is going to happen here? This can move down, right? So now going to be log 5. Now going to be 625 over 10 times 2 over what? 1. Now 2 going to 1, 2 going to is what? 5, right? Can 5 go into 1 to 5? So let's check it. 625 divided by 5. Here we have what? 1 to 5. It's okay. So it's now going to be log 5 1 to 5. So now let's checkmate it very well. So log 5 1 2 5. What is the answer? So what happened here is that, remember, 1 2 5 is also the same as what? 5 times 5 times 5 is going to be 5 raised to what? 3, right? So 5 times 5 times 5, let me go from 1 to 5, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I want to break it down. So now going to be log 5 raised to what? 3, right? Can you to this outside here? We're going to be 3. So we're going to be what? 3 log 5. Remember, log of base of the same base of the same base. Log of base that have the same number is what is 1. Just like log a is 1, right? Log 10 is what is 1. Log 5 is what is 1, right? So it's 1. So it's going to be 3 times 1, right? So that's going to be what? 3. The option is what? Is A. Correct one here. You can see that we got what? And that correct answer here, right? So that is what for the number 2. Let's evaluate what? Number 3. Find the value of this here. So let's evaluate this compound. Let's evaluate question number 3. Find the value of 16 raised to 3 over 2 plus log 0.001 plus log 32. Now, if you check very well, they do not have logarithm. You should have log of base 10. Here we have what? Log of what? Base 2. So you cannot combine edits together here. So you have to what? Evaluate them separately. All right, start here we have 16 raised to what? 3 over 2 plus log 10 0.00 what? 1 plus log 232. So you have to what? Evaluate them separately. So how do we evaluate this guy here? Now, when I have 16 raised to power 3 over 2, now, can I reduce this guy down? Because here I have 3 over 2. Now, can I evaluate so here enough for me to get to, so I can cancel that? Remember, 4 times 4 is what? Is 16, right? 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. Even at here we have 16 is also the same as 4 raised to power 2. They are now going to have what? 3 over 2. Now, the main reason is that because I already have 2. Now, the power, I already have 2 as what? Denominator. So, I'm going to want to get this one here so I can have 2, so 2 and 2 can what? Go out. That is what it trick when it comes to what? Indices are what? A logarithm. This one actually what? An indices what? Question or format. So, it means that this guy I've seen here is what? Are going to be 4 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 over 2. Just that because 2 raised to power 2 is also, or 4 raised to power 2 also say that 4 times 4 should what? 16. Do you understand? So you can say that this and this will go out, but you should leave it first. Plus, now let's reduce this one here. Now remember when I asked on 0, when I asked on 0.001. Now how to change this division, this decimal to what? To fraction. What am I going to do here? Going to be 1000. Then this one, this division is 1. How many figures do you have here? Is 1, 2, 3. There going to be 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So going to be 1 over what? 1000. Do you see that? So it means that this guy also is saying about log 10, 1 about 1000. That is what? That is the what mean. Do you understand? Plus, now remember, how do I get this one here to give me 2? How do I get this one here to give me 2? Now remember, 32 also is also the same as what? 2. 32 is also the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 16, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 is what? 32, right? 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 is what? Is 32. How many 2 do you have here? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 raised to power 5 also is about 32. Now the main reason why I reduce to 2 because now they don't have the same base, so I have to evaluate them separately. Do you understand? So this guy also is same thing as log 2 5 or 2 raised to power 5. That is meaning. Do you understand? So the next thing I want to do here now, the next thing I want to do here is to what? Is to this guy and this guy what to go out, right? So it will be 4 raised to power 3 plus. Now, whenever I have something like this one, whenever I have 1000 is also the same thing as what? 10 raised to power 3, right? 10 raised to power 3. So here going to be log 10 raised to power 1 over 10 raised to power 3, right? Do you understand? Now let me carry this one down here, because this is a power law in what? Logarithm. So if I should bring this one down here, it's going to be plus 5 log 2 2. Can you see that? Now this way I want to evaluate so here. When I have 1 over what? A raised to power b. If I have something like this in indices, what will happen here? Going to be a raised to power minus what? B, right? So you have to understand this here. So if I should have something like 1 over what? 2 3. Now if I want to carry this one up, it's going to be 2 raised to what? Minus 3. Do you understand? There are now power law in what? In indices. So if you have not if you have not known indices here, please make sure you go and learn indices very well. So it means that here 4 raised to power 3 plus log 10. This guy 1 over 10 raised to power 3 also says that what? 10 raised to power minus 3, right? So going to be 10 raised to power minus what? 3 plus 5 log what? 2 raised to power 2, right? Now let me carry this one down here because it's now power law. So it's going to be 4 raised to power 3 plus minus 3 log 10 10, right? Plus 5 log what? Log 2 2. Can you see that? Now remember, if you have something like this, log of base, that log of base, that log of base that have the same base, right? Like log 5 5 is what? Is 1, right? Log a is what? Is 1. Log b is what? Is 1. Log log 2 is 1. So then this is going to be 1, it's going to be 1. So, right? So remember, there's plus negative. So it's going to be 4 raised by 3 plus times minus is minus. Then it's going to be 3 plus what? 5, right? So 4 raised by 3. This one is 1, this one is 1, right? So 4 raised by 3, 4 times 4 times 4. Yeah, how about 64? So it's going to be 64 minus 3 plus 5, right? So 64 minus 3 plus 5. Yeah, how about 66? Do you have that option there? 66. Okay, let's look at it. 4 raised by 3. Okay. There's a mistake here, but since we have evaluation here, 64 minus 3 plus 5, here we have what? 60, uh, 64 minus 3 plus 5, here we have what? 60 what? 66. Now, I just checked the question. Here it's supposed to be 0.0001. It's okay. Like 30 years. So that is the reason why it's like this. But the option is should be D. This one is the option here. This is that. So I will leave 4 and 5 for you to evaluate. So evaluate 4 and 5. This video is already too lengthy. So evaluate 4 and 5 based on what you have done in this class. So if this video is helpful, please leave a comment section that this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Go and check out the first video I have done on what logarithm. We also have so many videos on what chemistry. So please go and check out those videos if chemistry is still your issue. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Please kindly share this video with your friends and your friends, your siblings who are writing JAMB. Do you get that? Please recommend Chris TV for them so that they can also benefit, so that they can ease the stress they are going to pass through when praying for JAMB. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.